212 Mic check. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live, Doubles? Doubles, you don't really answer. Like I ask if we're live,
We're not live yet.
and you don't like. I don't know, man. It's like I feel like I don't know, man. I'm like you're hurting my feelings, bruh.
Melodramatic.
You're hurting my feelings a little bit because I'm like asking you. No, for real, bro. Seriously, we gotta talk.
Yes, we are live.
We are live. Yo. What's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house, baby. And it's another episode of the breakout show Power Play with my illustrious co-host, the one and only DBL Nicks in the house, aka the Rainmaker, baby. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get that share party going on. And let's get a bunch of people in here. Let's get the indelible tribe together. We are the world. No, don't make me sing, Doubles, because I will. I'll sing, Doubles. You know me. You know what I'm talking about, Doubles. You know I'll sing. We are the world. We are the. I don't know what's the word to the song, bro. We are the world. We are the world. How did I do? How did I do, DBL moms? How did I do? Multi-talented. Maybe I'll just stick to stocks in Fortnite. Maybe I'll just do that. I don't know. What do you think, Doubles? What do you think? What do you think? What do you say? Ooh, look, they got cats in the game. Look at this. Holy Toledo. Look at that. Wow. They're like kittens. Kittens. Puss in Boots, bro. Puss in Boots, bro. Bro. Oh, dude, they got a showdown also. The Ice King returns.
Yeah, watch the video.
Wow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, right? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is another episode of Power Play. So let me break it down for you. Let's get a share party. Let's get the first 100, 200 folks in here. Let me explain what Power Play is about. What is this show about, Doubles? You want me to tell you?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to tell you. But first, I'm going to have some coffee. Delish. Justice is in the house. Good afternoon. How you doing, partner? How are you? So, if you're new to the show, this is Power Play, where we basically share our custom scanners from our Discord, right? So we have our private premium Discord, and we have these custom scanners. We have multiple custom scanners, but this one in particular is called the Market Mover Scanner or Top Gainer Scanner. And what it does is it provides us information with the stocks that have run the most aggressively today, specifically the ticker symbol, how high it ran, price, volume, and most importantly, float, so that you know exactly what the demand is, the volume, and what the supply of the stocks tradable are, which is your float. And of course, there's hyperlinks that give us information about the news pertaining to the stock. Rogue's in the house. What's up, Rogue? Justin wants to know the volume and float on WRK. So I'll put that up and we'll do that first as soon as I finish the intro. Justin. The intro. Okay. So what we do is we basically go ahead and review the stocks that are running and check them out, right? Before Power Hour. Power Hour starts at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and finishes at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And basically what happens is between that time frame, just before the regular hours closes, there's usually a lot of volume that comes back into the market. The most volume is usually in the morning, right? So pre-market, opening bell, right? Basically 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, and then everybody goes to lunch. Doubles. They go ahead and they go to the Chipotle, Chipotle, and they have some paprika, right, and some other stuff, whatever else you could get at Chipotle. I don't know what do you get? The California fresh kale? No.
You get like a burrito.
A burrito bowl, right? Yeah, stuff like that. Right, so they go and hang out, and there's less volume, so the stocks kind of stop moving for a little bit. So what we do is we get ourselves ready for the Power Hour by reviewing the different stocks. We look at the information about the stocks, the news, the press releases, the filings, what does the chart look like, et cetera. And that's the power portion of it. We're getting ready for Power Hour. right? The play portion of it, power play, is we realize that these stocks are not really going to be moving until we get closer to power hour, right? And we start the show at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we've got about an hour and a half to review these stocks. So what we do is we review them, right? Chart them out, and then we put them on high heat, let them simmer a little bit, let them get nice and juicy, maybe stir them a little bit, get the little wooden spoon and stir them a little bit, you know what I'm talking about? And let them marinate and, cook them on high heat so they get ready for power hour, right? While they're cooking, we set them aside, let them simmer, all right? And I go ahead and I try to get a victory royale in Fortnite for the community, for the Indelible Tribe. That's y'all out there, the Indelible Tribe. Let's go, baby. So that's the premise of the show. Let's get a share party. Let's go take a look at WORX for our friend Justin on YouTube. So this stock was moving earlier in the morning. Let's take a look and see if there was any news on WORX. Bobo Beeps in the house. Howdy, Lima Charlie. Roger that, Bobo. We're going to be chatting today. I'm just saying. Bobo's in the house. We're going to be chatting. Let's go. All right, so we're looking at WORX. Let's see if there's any news on WORX. Let's go check it out. News for WORX. Do we have anything? Today, it jumped 36%. What's going on? It says right over here, 36%. What's going on with it? What does it say? It rose to 36% in after hours on Tuesday, according to Benzinga. The stock closed regular trading at 1.17, declined to 13 cents. Though no immediate reason has been identified for the stock movement, investors may still be reacting to the company's announcement last week. On March 4th, WORX disclosed a new SaaS and data management agreement with a Southeastern healthcare provider whose integrated delivery network spans over 700 beds across multiple acute care hospitals and outpatient facilities. So this was news from last week. So that's what the catalyst apparently might have been. Maybe, but there was no actual news right now. And it pumped up and it dropped. So this is a very inexpensive stock, obviously. Let's take a look at the float and the volume. So the float would be 15 million, and today's volume was 86 million. So there was plenty of volume to sustain the float. And this is a very inexpensive stock, so it's going to be quite choppy. So let's take a look and dissect what's going on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the relative strength index, okay? And we could see that the RSI is smack in the middle. So that basically indicates right now that there's really no control by either buyers or sellers, which makes sense because when we look at the volume candles, there's very little volume going on right now with this particular stock. Again, that also makes sense because right now it's 1:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and obviously there's a lull in the stock market. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get the first 100, 200 folks in here. Let's get it going. We're looking at WRX. WRX is sub VWAP, right? So the volume weighted average is over here. So WORX is sub VWAP and needs volume to break resistance at 17 cents. 17 cents. So the resistance is going to be at the volume weighted average. If we get the graffiti pencil activated, it's right over here. There's your key resistance. Why does it always turn blue, doubles? Why? Why, doubles? Why? Why can't it just stay green? Why? Anyhow, so it needs to start curling upward, but right now you could see it's kind of struggling with the price action. You could see that the red candles are actually starting to dip even below the 9 EMA, and the 9 EMA tried to curl upward, but it's still struggling. So it needs volume to push its way back up. Let's go ahead and get a Fibonacci retracement so that we can basically set up a key level of support and resistance chart on this particular ticker right over here. So if we go ahead and put the Fibonacci retracement, you could basically see that it is currently at the resistance level at around 16 cents. It needs to break 16 cents, and then 17 cents would be the significant resistance area there. If it cannot, then the next support area drops all the way down to 14 cents. We want to see this RSI start to move upward. What's up, CNSI? What's going on? Excellent. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. Very cool. Okay, yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Definitely. Okay. All right. So what we got over here that ultimately caused the price action to drop is you actually had a triple top. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci right now so we can see it a little bit clearly. So you basically have a triple top situation over here. Let's go take a look at this. You have a top over here. You have another top right over here. Come on. Come on. Come on, you scoundrel, you. And then you have a third top over here, which ultimately resulted in this being a bear pattern. A triple top is a bear pattern, right? And ultimately what ended up happening is you ended up having a sell-off, which happened over here. And it broke the downtrend and is now trying to move back up. So we can say that maybe this could be the beginnings of a descending wedge bull reversal, but it's going to need volume to prove that, right? And it's going to need a lot of volume to get through the 17-cent mark. So we'll see what happens with that. We will see. We will see. All right, all right. So that's the story. Thank you. Thank you, CNSI. Appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next ticker that is on the list. The current leading gainer is actually ACXP. ACXP. All right, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Curix Pharmaceutical or Curix Pharmaceutical doubles. Let's go into the custom news feed of our Discord for ACXP and let's see if there's any news for this particular ticker. Let's go and check it out. All right. Does it have news for today? It's got news on the 9th. Okay. ACXP shares are trading higher after the company announced that it will conduct a new clinical trial in patients with reoccurring C. difficile infection. While its program in broader CDI patient population is ready to advance to phase 3 international clinical trial. So that was a couple of days ago. That was the news a couple of days ago. But you can see that the price action is moving up. It's up 87%. If we get the trend lines activated, you could see that it's moving quite aggressively upward. Now, here's the situation. ACXP, as we look at the custom scanner, is a small float stock. It's 3 million float, very low. Volume, 80 million. All right, so there's a lot of volume. It's currently up 86%, but we can also see that the 9 EMA is starting to extend further away from the VWAP, which could indicate that a pullback is in order and even a possible small double top forming over here. In addition to that, the RSI is starting to move upward. We see that there's volume candles starting to dip. We also can take a look and see that the price action itself has been quite choppy, right? So there could be a couple things going on with this. Could be that there's a lot of people trying to short the stock, or it could be that the stock is diluting. I don't see any indication that it's diluting, but it's very possible that the stock is being shorted because the price action is quite choppy. That being said, it's had enough gasoline in the tank to go up to 86%, and it is still in a upward bullish trend, Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to 6,500. Make sure you're following on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and set the notifications on, share and comment. That would be absolutely awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Doubles. Also, make sure you got the notifications on because Monday through Friday at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have another show that we do. It's actually hosted by my illustrious co-host, the one and only D.B. Licks in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, and he unleashes the huntress of all stocks, Parabolic. The Serengeti specialist with her bushy tail, she goes into the high weeds and on the high seas, and she's perusing and prowling for the next ABCD parabolic runner, cup and handle runner, micro pullback runner.
Yeah.
Huh? The one, the only, DBO Moms. The secret weapon, bro. Doubles. Secret weapon. Secret weapon. So go ahead and make sure you got the notifications on YouTube for 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, for the awesome show Microcap Mornings, where the two of my compatriots are out there hunting out for all things parabolic for the community, pre-market all the way into the morning bell, right? Even into the morning bell. Absolutely. Absolutely. So go check that out. Make sure you're following on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all things pertaining to financial news that is shared on X.com. In addition to that, Monday through Friday, we have pre-market, regular hours and after hours, all things pertaining to the microcap and small cap world, whether it's technical analysis, filings, press releases, and much, much more. Go ahead and follow us on X.com for that information. At Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And we're on Doubles. We're on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL and ICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to the first 100. Let's get to the first 100. All right, so ACXP needs to really break above 565. So let's go ahead and put a level over there. ACXP needs to break the level of $5.65. Doubles. It has to break the level of $5.65. In fact, we could even say, Doubles, we could even say that this is forming what looks like a flat top breakout, hopefully, but the price action hasn't gotten up there just yet. It has reached this area. So what we need to see is higher lows, and it can stay at the 565 level until it ultimately breaks out. And it would be forming that flat top breakout right over here. Right here, Doubles. Let's go. Right there. Right there, Doubles. Right there, bruh. Wait, I want it to be a flat top like that. There you go. Isn't that pretty, Doubles? I'm really good at drawing, bruh. I've been using graffiti pencils my entire life, brother. I'm just saying. I'm an artiste when it comes to drawing charts, baby. Let's go. Let's share it up. Let's take a look at ASNS. Doubles. ASNS. This is an interesting stock because this stock has been moving on and off now for several days, okay? And it moved again today. The company announced an order from the Japanese government for its Metalite networking solutions for critical civil and defense infrastructure modernization. That's what was the catalyst, okay? And the stock has gone up 61%. If we go to the custom scanners that we're sharing from our private Discord with the community right now, we could see that it's an 8 million float stock, and it had 335 million in volume. So a lot of volume. It's a cheap stock at 61 cents, but look at this, Doubles. It has now formed what appears to be a disgusting double top. I hate double tops. I want the bottoms, yo. I want the double bottoms. I don't want the double tops. They upset me. They upsetty spaghetti me. Okay? All right. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? Doubles. Anyway, let's get the graffiti pencil activated. What we need to see happen is we need to see the price action stay above the volume weighted average, which is currently at the 58-cent mark right over here where the green line is. However, we could see that it has formed a double top, and we could see that the 9 EMA is pointing pretty sharply downward. We can also see that the price action in the relative strength index is starting to sharply move downward towards the oversold area. That would be a bearish signal. So the key that we're going to really be looking at is, does the price action stay above the 58-cent mark volume weighted average, and can it bounce and move upward? It has news. It's a very low, it's not a very low float, but it's a pretty low float at 8 million shares, and it had 335 million in volume. Doubles, I tell you. Volume. Let's take a look at SXTP. SXTP, Doubles. Let's take a look at it. What's going on with this particular stock? The company announced that 3 of 3 enrolled patients have been cured of babesiosis after completing the tafenoquine regimen in the company's trial of relapsing babesiosis in immunosuppressed patients. I have no idea what that means, bruh. No clue. No clue. All I could tell you is the stock's up 50%, 50%. It's a 1 million float stock, 36 million in volume. And right now it is forming a head and shoulders pattern. And it looks like it's pulling back doubles. So we can go and put the head over here. And we could go ahead and put the shoulder over there. And it's got another shoulder right over here. So it's a head and shoulders pattern, and we can see that the 9 EMA is quite extended from the VWAP, and we can see that the RSI was overbought and now selling off, and the volume candles are dipping. So a pullback would probably be in order. Hopefully it holds above the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average is at about $2.61. So we want to see it hold above 261. So that's the story with SXTP. Let's take a look at PAVS. 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 PAVS is on an uptrend. PAVS is on an uptrend. Resistance is at about $1.85. $1.85. It is on an uptrend, and resistance is at $1.85. It needs to break $1.85. RSI is moving up. What's the story with PAVS? It is a low float stock at 4 million shares. Okay. But unfortunately, there's only 828,000 shares of volume. So the volume is much lower. Can this phone stop ringing? What the heck? What the heck is going on? Don't you understand I have a show? Stop messing with me. Huh. It's messing with me, Doubles. I don't understand it, bro. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I'm getting upset, Doubles. I get upset a lot, Doubles. You know that? I'm not a diva, bro. I'm not. Well, maybe not that much. Maybe a little bit. A little bit. You know what I mean?
Totally not a diva.
Not a diva. I need my coffee. Where are my green M&Ms, darn it? Where are they? And the white rose petals. Huh. I'm not demanding. Every artiste should have these things. Isn't it true? Chat, come on. Come on. Right? Am I right? If I'm right, I'm right, right? I'm right. I'm right. Okay. I'm right. Okay. 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 Let's get a share party. We're almost up to 200. Let's get to 300. Let's get that share party going on. We're talking about PAVS. PAVS is trending upward. Resistance is at $1.85. The 9 EMA is starting to get a little extended from the VWAP. RSI is moving upward. It looks like most of the volume was earlier in the day. It's tapered off, obviously. We're waiting for power hour to come in. We still have a good solid hour and 7 minutes before the power hour comes to play. So we got time. We got time. Let's take a look at CVGI, Doubles. CVGI. Ta 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 ta. CGVI. Ta ta. CVGI. Ta ta. Ta da da da. They had better than expected Q4 earnings, and they're up 32%. But it pumped and it sold off, right? So they had positive Q4 earnings, and they are currently up 30%. Bobo Beep says searching for diva energy. Bobo Beeps. Ooh, not found. Not found. Modify search. Modify search. Coach Diva Energy. Coach Diva Energy. Search that. Search that. Let's go. All right. So the situation with CVGI up 30% on Q4 earnings needs to get above VWAP 251. 251. 251. Wanna. Okay. Time to get a dub for the community. Let's go to ACXP while we're watching it, though. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. It has formed a flat top. Can it break it out of the flat top? Can it? We're going to keep an eye on it. This is the leading gainer right now at 87%. Let's go ahead and get a dub for the Indelible Tribe. Let's get a share party. Let's get 300, 400. No, 420, bro. 420 for the memes, yo. I never really understood what you meant by that, by the way. What do you mean by 420 for the memes? What do you mean?
Better you don't know.
Huh?
Better you don't know.
I bet I don't know.
No, you don't know.
Come on, Doubles.
You don't know.
I don't want to know.
You don't want to know.
We're going to have a conversation, you and I. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yo, this is season 7, chapter 1, bro, right there. Did you see that? Mm-hmm. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to 300. We're at 267. Let's push the gasolina. Let's push it. Push it, baby. Woo! Doubles, where shall I land? Doubles, where should I land? There's no bus, bro. Bro, it's gonna be the surfing thing again. Ugh, ay vey. Ay, 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 ay. I'm so confused. I'm so confused, Doubles. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get a share party. Let's get a share party. SCNX moving 30%. SCNX moving 30%. Where we going, Doubles? Where we going? Where we going? I tell ya. Where did I go last time? Let's go here, bro. I'm just trying to wait. Wait. Can I reach this? I'd love to go there, bro. I love that area, dude. I'm not. Whoa! What's going on over here? Doubles, you think I could reach that area? I'm gonna try, Doubles. I'm gonna try to go all the way inland, bro. I'm gonna go all the way inland. Oh wow, I stretched the map up a little bit. Look at that, bro. Right? Look at that. No? Holy Toledo, bro. I don't think I'm gonna make it, bro. You think I make it? What do you think, Doubles? I don't know. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to land in my locality. What happened? I think, right? Doubles. GSUN up 30%. China. 30%. 30%. GSUN up 30%. 30%, baby. Let's go. All right, bro, I'm not going to lie. There are people near here. I don't know how they got here. Because they got off of the surfboard thing as well. You know what I mean, bro? Right? Right, Doubles? Right? All right, here I go. Here I go again. I need a pistola, bro. I need a gun, bro. I need me a gun, bro. Come on, man. Give me a gun. Give me a gun. Chest. Come on. Be a chest. I don't think so. Nope. No chest. All right. Over here. Right there. Shotgun. Shotgun, baby. Woo! Baby. Ooh, I'm kitted out already. Look at that. Let's go. I don't like what I'm rocking for colors here. I mean, it's gray, but all right, whatever. I'm not going to complain, bro. I ain't going to complain, bro. I ain't going to complain, bro. Woo-wee, bro. Holy moly. Holy Toledo. Oh, my. Oh, my gracious. Oh, no. Oh, no. We should probably use brick, bro. Right? What do you think, bro? Should we? Let's use brick, bro. Maybe. Hey. Let's do it, Doubles. What do you think, bro? Let's get some mats, you know, little nice nines over here. You know what I mean? We'll do it like that, bro. We'll do it like that. I did it like that. You did it like that? I did it like that. Doubles. Bro, I hear combat going on, bro. You feel me? I hear some combat going on, kiddo. Ooh, shot the gun, bro. Shot the gun, bro. Ooh, there's people nearby, bro. I'm not lying. Right? Do you hear it? Holy Toledo, bro. You don't hear it, bro? It's in my headset. It's in my... Ooh, look at that. I got myself some beauty over here, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at us. Look at this lusciousness, bro. Look at how luscious everything is, bro. Oh my. Oh my. Alright, let's get it done, doubles. Let's mat up. Let's get into combat readiness. Let's go. Let's get the dub for the community. Doubles for the community. I feel ornery, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I feel a little ornery. Wow, they're missing some chests over here, you know? I was a little stingy, a little bit. Let's go up there, doubles. Let's go see what's going on. Let's see what the story is over here. Alright, where's the shooting going on? Where's the shooting? Where is it? Where is it? You know what I noticed? I haven't seen any llamas, bro. Did they get rid of the llamas this season, doubles? Do you know? I have not seen a llama for like a hot minute, bro. And it's upsetting spaghetti to me, you know? Yeah, man, I like llamas, bro. They're cute. And they're filled with lusciousness, bro. I love the lusciousness, bro. They are. Doubles. ACXP up. 84%. 84%. Oh, we got an enemy over here. We got an enemy. Whoa! Parabingo! Po! Like that, bro. Like that, bro. What's up, bro? What's up? Oh, no, another person. Yo, they're trying to mess with the coach, bro. I know. Drinky drink, bro. It's right there, bro. I see him. There's somebody nearby, too. I want this thing right here. Too much going on over here, bro. Where they at, bro? Let's get it. Let's get it done, bro. Where they at, bro? This guy ran over here. Somebody here, bro. There was somebody down there, see, bro? There's somebody nearby. Let's get a share party. We got almost 500. Let's get 600. We're going for the dub for the community. Oh, no. No, baby, no. No. We're getting pushed, doubles. Oh, doubles, man. Ah, come on. No, we gotta run that again, bro. Gotta run it back. Come on, man. When are they gonna get rid of this stupid surfing thing? I don't like it. I don't like it. DBO moms. I don't like it. I don't want the surfing. I want my bus. I want the yellow bus, the special bus for the coach, the special one. Come on now.
Yeah.
Or is it blue? No, it's a blue bus. Blue bus. Yeah, the blue one. Yeah, that's what I want. The special blues. Come on now. Come on. It's for the special. It's for the special. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, dude, do you remember? Bro, do you remember this thing where they had the little weapon on the shoulder? Yeah. Wasn't that from, is that where they got it from? Iron Man? I thought they got it from another game, right? Don't you play like Helldivers? What was the game that had it? We played it together. You had like a little thing on the shoulder. What was that? Like a weapon, bro. Come on, Doubles. Don't be difficult, Doubles. Come on, you remember. Oh, look, bro. Bro, look. Looka. Look, Doubles, look. No, Doubles, look. Looka. Yeah, that is a battle bus, bro. I don't know, Doubles. Should I go hot, bro? Or should I like not go hot? I don't know. I want to get a dub, bro. I don't know. I do, but you know what? I'm feeling ornery, bro. I don't know. I feel on. You know what? I'm going hot. Forget about it, bro. I'm going hot. What difference does it make? I got to review the stonks pretty soon anyhow. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it don't matter none. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 600. 600 PAVS up 41%. Let's take a look at it. It's moving. PAVS moving 41%. 41%. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go, Doubles. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I should have jumped out of the bus a little bit earlier, Doubles, you know? I'm thinking out loud, but yeah. I'm thinking I should have jumped out of the bus a little bit earlier. My drop is a little high, a little bit. Don't matter none. I got it. Yeah, come over here. Come here. Watch, it's gonna give me something silly. No, Doubles. It gave me the MK, baby. The MK, yeah. I like me an MK, bruh. Where is this? There's somebody flying around, bruh. Where you at, bruh? Somebody's flying around with me. While I got the MK, yeah, bruh. I got the MK, yeah. Doubles. MK. Bada bingo. Let's go, bruh. Ooh, what is that? What is that thing? Get over here, bro. I don't know. Should I take some pot shots at some of the enemies, bro? I don't see him, though. Bro, do you see anybody? I don't see nobody. I saw people flying around, and then they just, like, disappeared. That's weird. All right. Got it. I understand. Wait. We got somebody. Somebody's shooting over here. Right there, bro. Stop moving, fella. I get so angry. Don't make me. You're not gonna like me if I'm angry. That was from The Incredible Hulk, right? Yes, sir. I can understand that, bruh. Right? All right, let's get down there. Bruh. Let's get some juicy juice in us, you know? All of that lusciousness, right? What do you think, Doubles? Can we get some lusciousness? Come on, minis. Or not. Or maybe no. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Let's go, Let's get it done. Doubles. ACXP. Moving. Low float. 81%. 81%. ACXP. 81% low floater. What? Ooh, look at this, Doubles, huh? Somebody's here, bro. Yo, this guy didn't even know I was here, bro. He didn't even know I was there, bro. Fool. How you doing, fool? How you doing, fool? Am I wrong, Doubles? I don't know. I don't know. He had no business being here. What's wrong with him? Right? Am I right or am I wrong, Doubles? Right? Come on, man. This is mi casa, bro. You ain't supposed to be messing with my house, yo. This is my house. And I live here. Mwah. Mwah. Yo, that was Eddie Murphy, bro. R.I.P. Nah, man, I'm just joking, bro. Relax, bro. Oh, we got an enemy over here, bro. We got an enemy over here, bro. We got an enemy here. There's an enemy nearby, bro. Bruh. Nah, bro, come on. We can't have none of that. We love Eddie. We love Eddie. Eddie's our boy. Eddie. Let's get some Mataroonies, bro. Oh my. Let's get some Mataroonies, bro. Oh my, Doubles. Oh my. Oh migration. Come on. Oh migration, bro. Doubles. All right, let's move in, bro. Let's move in, bro. Oh, wait a minute. I want this right here. Give me some loot. Give it to me. Give it to me. All right, Doubles. Let's get out of here, bro. Right? I got like 1,400 in mats, right? Why not get some more mats? Why not? Why not? Why not? All right. Doubles. We got anybody over here? This thing right here. Anything worthwhile? No? How about the jetpack? No jetpacker? Oh man, I want a jetpacker, Doubles. I want a jetpacker. I want the jetpacker, Doubles. I like it. I like the jetpacker, Doubles. I like it. Right, Doubles? Oh man, just as I was trying to get the brick, it stopped. You know? It's alright. Don't matter none. It don't matter. Somebody already came here, bro. They took all the goodness. They took all the lusciousness, Doubles. What the heck, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's not cool. Doubles, that's not cool, right? Nah, bro. Nah. I ain't having none of that, bro. Alright, let's move up. Let's get some med kits. Right? Let's at least get some heals. What do you think, right? Should we do that? Yeah, let's go. Let's do that. Let's get some med kits. Med kits. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Med kit. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Pop that sucker right there. Let's get to the shotgun. Let's get it. Let's open the door. Let's get out of here. Ooh, look at all this. Look at all this, bro. Oh, wow, look. Look at this, Doubles. Come on, man. Why is this storm moving? Come on, let me out. Let me out, I tell you. Let me out of here. Ooh, look at the moo-moos, bro. There's moo-moos over there, bro. Did you see the moo-moos? The cows. I like the cows, bro. I like cows. Cows are good. Yummy. They make milk. Oh, we got an enemy nearby, bro. We got ourselves an enemy nearby, bro. Ooh, there's people right there. See them? Right over there. There's somebody over there. Let's see if we could reposition and fight them. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's see. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right here, look. They were here. I don't know what happened. They were here. Where are they at? I don't see them, doubles. You see them? I don't see them, bro. There was somebody here. Alright. I get it. I get it. There was somebody there, and now there's nobody there. I get it. I understand. I understand the assignment, doubles. I'm just going to get myself inside, bro. Right? Right, doubles? Let's get in. Let's get in, doubles. ROMA moving, Roma. ROMA moving up 35%. Roma, Roma, Roma moving. Migration, bro. $35%. Moving, moving, moving. Doubles. You know what I'm talking about, bro? It's moving, bro. It's moving, bro. It's moving. I hear some fireworks, bro. I hear some fireworks over here. Right in front, right there. See him? Let's see if we can get a hold of him. Oh, look, there's loot over here too. There's some lusciousness right here, bro. Let's see if we can cut this guy off. Let's see what anything good over here. He was moving this way. Look right there. He's on the ramp right there, bro. He's on the ramp. I'm gonna move over here. See if I can get him from. Oh, there's somebody shooting at me as well. Look at that. Yeah. What about this? Oh, he already got this guy. Doubles, What do you think, doubles? What do you say? What do you think, doubles? I laser-rated that fella, but I wasn't able to eliminate him. I wanted to eliminate him, doubles. Not because I'm being mean or anything, but it was just like, you know what I'm saying, doubles? You know what I'm talking about, bruh? Bruh. Where we going? Where we going? Where we going? Where's the beef, doubles? Where's the beef, doubles? There's somebody over here. There's somebody here, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. There was somebody here, bro. I heard gunfire. Oh, ooh, there's like a bot over here, bro. Look, somebody with a medallion. Right? With the medallion, doubles, the medallion, I tell you. Let's go up here. Is it the bot? I don't know. It is the bot, bro. It's the bot that's here. Somebody here, bro. I don't know where this guy's at, bro. He messed up my plan, so I'll tell you that much. Messed up my plan, Doubles. You know that? I was gonna try to take the... Oh, look at this. I was gonna try to get this bot, but this guy, you know? He's up top. He's up top, bro. There he goes. This turkey roll. I bet you it's the same cat, too. Oh, man. Now I'm in trouble. Oh, doubles. Doubles. That guy got me eliminated, bro. I think he shot at the... He must have shot at the bot, you know?
And the bot attacked you.
Yeah, exactly. That sucked. Little conniver. Little conniver. Let's take a look at the stonks, Doubles. All right, PAVS did not remain friends with the trend, and it kind of like... Let's get rid of this right here. Let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of it. Right now, what happened? It went below the volume weighted average. It's trying to break the volume weighted average. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated so we can see the volume weighted average more clearly. It's at $1.79. It's fighting. It's trying, but it doesn't really have a lot of volume right now to keep it up. Let's take a look at Roma, R-O-M-A, Doubles. R-O-M-A, Roma Green Finance Limited. That's the name of the stock. You could see over here that it is overbought. There was a spike in volume. It is a 47 million float stock, so it's a heavy stock, and it's not a cheap stock. It's $4.63, so it's not like a sub-dollar stock that it can get away with being thick. No. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 700. Let's get to 700. It only has 224,000 shares. 224,000 shares. You're looking at the custom scanners that we're sharing from the private Discord. We're sharing it with the community right now, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. This is the market mover scanner that you're looking at. The market mover scanner that you are looking at, baby. Doubles. Baby. No singing? No singing, bro?
I don't sing.
Listen, if you've been watching and you're serious about the small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it's full access. All right, so we're going to talk about the Discord for a second. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trades, how we map levels, how we think about risk more in depth than what you're seeing on the stream. Okay, I mean, I joke around with everyone, but trading is serious business, and we treat it seriously. We could have laughs, but making money is important because you gotta do it for your family, for yourself. You know what I mean, Doubles, right? Okay, so we show how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list that comes out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every single evening for the following day. And there's almost always 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up running. You have access to the multiple scanners that we have, pre-market scanners, after-hour scanners, regular scanners. You'll have the float volume catalyst context built right into the scanners at your fingertips. And you'll see our ticker tape scanner built specifically to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. Okay? This isn't noise, it's structure. If that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And as always, when you do, let us know that you saw us in the show. Let us know. So go ahead and click the link and in the pinned comment or in the description and take your 4-day trial for $9.99 and check out exactly what we have in our Discord. The community is off the hook, and there's a ton of tools, a lot of educational content. You're going to love it. So go ahead and click that link and let us know you saw it on the stream. We got 710 folks. Let's go get a share party going on. 725. All of a sudden, it went to 725. Let's get a share party, get it to 800. I'm going to have some coffee while y'all get it up to 800. Come on now. We got this. I know we got this. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Doubles. All right, let's take a look at SXTP. SXTP.
SXTP.
Let's look at it. SXTP has that head and shoulders pattern, but it is respecting the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average has creeped up ever so slightly to $2.63. It was $2.61. So there is some movement and some stabilization of the price action. So maybe this head and shoulders is done with that price drop. And maybe what we're starting to see is possibly a descending wedge bull reversal pattern, and maybe it's setting itself up to start curling back up. There's still quite a bit of a gap between the VWAP and the 9 EMA, so I wouldn't be totally surprised if the price action keeps dipping, especially since we still have 35 minutes before power hour and there's a general lack of volume in the overall market. But it is forming a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. It needs volume for confirmation. So SXTP has formed a descending wedge. You could see it right over here, descending wedge, bull reversal pattern. And of course, it'll need volume to validate it. A volume to validate it. Let's go to BODI. BODI, cha-cha. BODI, chicha. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha. BODI, cha-cha, doubles, cha-cha.
Yes, cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, boom, boom. Cha-cha-cha, boom, boom. Cha-cha-cha. Boom. I was watching a video on learning how to do the cha-cha.
The cha-cha?
1, 2, rock step, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Rock step, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Never mind, bro.
I don't know much
The
about
cha-cha-cha, bro. The cha-cha-cha. The cha-cha. The cha-cha-cha, bro. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Ha-cha-cha. Ha-cha-cha-cha-cha, bro. All right. This is the Beachbody Company. Didn't they used to do like videos or something like that, bro? The Beachbody Company?
I don't know.
I thought they did like exercise videos or so. I don't know. Maybe I'm confusing it. Anyway, the company's trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q4 earnings. So that's the story. It is a 4 million float stock. We could see it in the custom scanners that we're sharing from the private Discord, right?
Yes.
But it only has 216,000 shares of volume. So the volume is very low, but the stock is up 32%. It's kind of consolidating at this point, and it's kind of like trending in a horizontal fashion. It is in a channel, doubles.
Channel time.
Channel time, bro. Channel time. Channel time.
It's
It's channel time. It needs to break the channel, is what I'm thinking.
Consolidation.
It's got consolidation. It don't look like it has a lot of volume right now, so it needs to break this general channel between, I would say, $10.50 and right here $11.50, give or take. Beachbody Company up 32%, consolidating on Q4 news. Positive Q4 news. Consolidating at 32%. On positive Q4 news. BODI. 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 Doubles.
Yes.
I entertain myself, bro.
Yes.
I'm just letting you know.
Yes, you do.
I'm a party in and of myself, bro.
Yes.
I really am. I really am. Dude, you know what the next one's going to be?
Which one?
And big, yo.
Huh?
And big, yo. NBIG.
NBIG.
NBIG. And Notorious Biggie G, bro.
Ah.
See how I did that, bro?
Yes.
And big, bro. Oh, it's an ETF. ETF up 30%. NBIG ETF up 30%. 30%. Doubles. Did I say placenta? Placenta. SCNX. SCNX. Let's go check it out. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 800. Let's go for 900. 1,000. Let's go for 1,000. This stock is currently up 36%. SCNX up 36%. Let's see what's going on with it. The company formalized multiple commercial group purchasing organization to increase the availability of its something to reverse opioid spray. So they're increasing the distribution of their opioid spray. That's the news, basically. It's forming a cup and handle, sub VWAP cup and handle. Sub VWAP cup and handle. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated for this particular ticker. Here's your cup, and it would need to form a handle. But there's one major problem, Doubles. You want to know what it is? It's sub VWAP. So if we go over here, we could go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated, and we could see that at 56 cents, there is significant resistance, which is the volume weighted average. So this is a sub VWAP cup and handle. We can see that the RSI has recovered. It has recovered. And then if we go over here, we can see that it's a 34 million float stock, 34 million float stock with 135 million in volume. So there's been volume. I mean, not earth-shattering in light of the size of the float, but this is also an inexpensive stock. So the larger float's not that big of an issue, but we need to see more volume come in, push the RSI up. We need these candles to increase in size, and we probably will see some consolidation first before it makes a play to the upside. Hopefully it'll make a play to the upside. That's what we're hoping for. We're hoping for volume to come in. Right now, the stock is at about 52 cents. It's going to have significant resistance at 56 cents. 56 cents, Doubles. Did I say sensa? Sensa. Let's go to ACXP. ACXP. Cha-cha. ACXP. Cha-cha. Let's get it done. All right. So here's the story with this fella right here, right? We thought it was going to form a flat top breakout. It did not do that as of yet. It is still in a flat top format. It has significant resistance. It needs to break $5.65 to be schmexy to me. So ACXP has significant resistance at $5.65. It needs volume to break that key level of resistance. Doubles? Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, Doubles. Time to go in again. We're going in again, Doubles. What is this, the third or fourth game, Doubles? I know I did 2 games before because I got annoyed, right? So this is at least the third or maybe the fourth game, right? The third bird. It's the third bird. All right, let's get a dub for the community. Let's get a dub for the community. We're going to keep an eye on ACXP. It is the leading gainer at 84%. SXTP is also moving 52%. The other stocks are not really moving. And I think that the president is talking right around now. So usually when that happens, the stock market takes a deep breath and says, okay, let's wait and see what he has to say. What is he going to say? What is he saying, I tell you? What is he going to say? So I'm not surprised that there's not a lot of volume right now. I'm not surprised at all, Doubles. No. All right, Doubles, guess what? I got news for you, bruh. They got the bus, bruh. They got the bus, the Double Dutch bus. There was a song called Double Dutch Bus, bro. The Double Dutch bus down the street. Dude, it was a good song, bro. Look it up, bruh. Look it up. Old school, you know what I'm saying, bruh? Little old school jam, you know? A little bit. All right, I'm gonna have some coffee, Doubles. You know a sign of good coffee, Doubles? It's good even when it goes cold on you. This is cold coffee. It's still good, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It is still delish. I'm just saying. All right, let's thank the bus driver. Why not? We got that technology. We got it. I'm so tempted to land here, but I just don't want to, you know what I mean? I want to try to get a victory royale for the community, bro. You know, so I'm not going to go hot. I mean, it's exciting and all that, but I got to play it like we're going to win because I want to get a victory royale. I want to get a dub for the community, Doubles. You know, I'm going to play this. I'm going to play this calmly because I am a calm person, Doubles. You know, I'm not very hyper. You know that. You know that I'm cool, calm, and collective. I don't get excited very much. You know these things, right, Doubles? Yeah, you know these things, Doubles. Yeah, that's right. See, Doubles told you guys. Doubles knows the deal, right, Doubles? Why are you rolling your eyes, bro? What is that? I saw you, bro. I saw what you just did. I'm imagining. Aha. I don't see anybody nearby, bro. I hate when I don't see anyone because at least if you see somebody, you know that there's something going on. But if you don't see anybody, it's like, you know, you're just going about your business, and you think everything's cool, and then all of a sudden, bam! Not so cool anymore. You know what I'm talking about, Doubles? I'm just saying, bro. Anywho. Alright, let's get some weapons. Let's get some weapons in here. Let's get it done. Anybody here? I don't see nobody. Bro, could it be that nobody came? Be quiet. Be quiet. Behave. You're being fresh. No, there's somebody. Doubles, there's somebody here. There's shoot right there. I see him. I see him. He's down below. He was down below. I don't see him now. Where's he at? He was right there, bro. Right there he goes. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Ooh, there's somebody right up there too, bro. Look. They're just hiding, bro. Come on, man. I'm gonna push these guys. They just keep hiding. Let me get my loot. Let me get my shield, you know? I'm just gonna push them. Why they hiding, bro? Why they hiding, bro? Oh, no! Oh, dude, I broke my spinal, bro. I missed the cord, bro. Oh, man. Doubles, I missed the cord, bro. This is why I can't have no nice things, bro. I missed the cord, bro. I gotta behave, right? I got what I deserved. I was being fresh, bro. You know, I was being fresh. I was being funky fresh, bro. It's okay. I'm good. It's okay, though. We're good. Oh, looky. Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Nicey. What's going on over here? Let's see. Where are they? I'm gonna push these guys, because you know what? I was not impressed with them. Like I said, I was not impressed with them, Doubles. You know? Somebody's here. Somebody was here, bro. Alright, let's go in here. Let's go. Somebody was here. Look at that. Oh my, Doubles. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my, Doubles. Oh my. Me oh my, bro. Let's do this, bro. I like the matting up process over here. That's what I love about this, bro. You know, when they do this, they let you mat up like cray, bro. You feel me, Doubles? Look at that. 500, bro. 500, bro. 500. 500, bro. Right? Right, Doubles? Alright, somebody here. Jetpack, how about it? What do you think, bro? Jetpack? Jetpacker, bro! Jetpacker, bro. And then that crappy gun. I don't like that gun, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. Let's see. Anything? Nah. It's okay. It's alright. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. Oh, they already looted this joint, bro. Oh, they already looted this, bro. They already looted it. They already looted it, bro. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. They already looted all the good stuff, bro. You know? They already looted all the good stuff, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Bro, there's somebody here. Ah! Why are you here, fella? There's somebody here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Like that, bro. What are you doing? It's Coach Nick Money trying to get a victory royale for the indelible tribe. What is wrong with you, fool? Huh?
That fight or flight response.
Dude, he wasn't supposed to be here, bro. What is going on with this? What is going on with this creature, bro? This creature's redonkulous, bro. Oh, why is it not letting me do this? Okay. I'm kind of confused. I'm a little confused, Doubles. Why is it not letting me do this? Ah, there we go. All right, that was weird. Did you see that? Oh my goodness gracious, this guy really, he did a very terrible thing to me, Doubles. I got very upset. He's spaghetti. I got upset. He upset me, Doubles. He upset me. He was not supposed to be here, and he was here, and he upset. He spaghettied me. I'm getting upset. But we taught him a lesson, right, Doubles? Right? Did we teach him a lesson, Doubles? Yes or no? Did he get what he deserved? He was being mean. He startled the coach, man. I can't take it no more. It's too stressful to me. I'm gonna give this game up, bro. No. Hell no. I love this shiznit, bro. I'm addicted to this jaunt right here, bro. Bruh. Should I do this? Yeah, why not? Why not, bro? You know what? No, I'm gonna do these because I'm finding that when I battle the cats that have the dualies, they usually have a better situation going on. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Migration, bro. Why are these guys shooting at me like from nowhere, bro? What the heck? What is going on? Marty said, was that some boogie moves? You betcha. You betcha, Doubles. Oh, there's somebody over here, bro. There's somebody here, bro. I did get started, bro. I did. Bro, that guy came out of nowhere. Did you see that? Where's it? Look at this. They want to fight, and then they go and hide. Come on, man. What do you want to do? You want to fight or you want to hide? What's the story? What's the story? What do you like? You pick it, we do it. You're gonna be a Billy Bad, okay? Let me know, because I'm here for you. I'm here for you. You know what I'm talking about? He's definitely... Is it somebody up there? Where is this person? I don't know where this person's at. See, I'm trying to look. See, there's somebody right now. Might be up top, bro. All right, you know, ooh, right there's somebody right there, bro. I had enough, dude. I'm out of here. Yeah, bro. I'm not messing around, bro. I'm gonna win this game for the Devils, bro. Ooh, somebody was shooting at me, Devils. Somebody was being a little rude, a little, how should I put it, Doubles? A little perturbed, you know what I'm saying, bruh? A little perturbed, you know? Down here somewhere. I don't know where, but over there somewhere. They're shooting over here too, bro. There's a lot of shooting everywhere. I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like this, Doubles. I don't know. Ooh, there's folks here, bro. Alright, I'm getting out of here, bro. I'm getting out of this joint. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here, bro. Let's get in. What is this over here? What is this? What is all this? There's some serious fighting going on over here. Right there. That's a bot. Somebody here. Not. No. Alright, I'm gonna play it safe, bro. Right, Doubles? Marty in the house. Said I got some boogie night moves, bro. Doubles. I gotta move. Somebody here. Somebody here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Ooh, I got no shield, bro. I got no shield, Doubles. That was not so good. Nope. No shield, Doubles. That is no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Doubles, this freaking storm is like unbelievable, bro. I'm gonna get out of here, bro. Hope I don't get shot in midair, bro. I don't want to get shot in midair, bro. Medkit, bro. Medkit, bro. Alright. Let's reload. Let's do it, Doubles. Let's get out of here. How about we do this right here? Let's go, Doubles. Let's go, bro. Let's go, Oh, my version, bro! Bye-bye, fool! Bye-bye, fool!
somebody right there, bro. He's right there, bro. Ooh-wee! Oh no! All right, we had some movement over here, huh?
Movimento.
Ah, doubles! I got caught in the storm, bro. I got stuck in the storm, dude. I got stuck in the storm. Ah, man, silly bird, silly bird. Folks, we got 8 minutes before the power hour. Let's go take a look at some stonks right now. Let's get it done, doubles. Let's get it done. All right. Oh, doubles, look. ACXP broke the resistance. Broke
ACXP.
the resistance. Broke the resistance. It broke the resistance on the flat top breakout. RSI overheating ever so slightly. We are 7 minutes from power hour. Does this ticker get the attention? So far, it's leading gainer. It's up 96%. 96%. Let's take a look at SXTP. Let's take a look at SXTP. SXTP, descending wedge, bull reversal. It's trying to break out. It is trying to break out. This stock has a history, though, of selling off in the afternoon. So I hope that's not what happens to it. But it looks like it's trying to stay above the volume weighted average. And so far, it's okie dokie smoky. Okie dokie smoky. ASNS. Let's take a look at ASNS cha-cha. ASNS cha-cha. Let's take a look at it. ASNS double top, sold off, needs to break the downtrend doubles. It don't look too schmexy right now. It's below the VWAPA. RSI is grossly oversold. So I don't know. Let's go to body, beach body, BODI, beach body company. Consolidation. CVGI. We'll check that one out. We'll take a look at that in a second. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. Set the notifications on. You're going to want to watch all the shows. We got the morning show at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, pre-market into regular hours, when my illustrious co-host, the one and only Parabolics in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, and his trusty compatriot co-host, the huntress of all things parabolic, the Serengeti specialist. She goes in, ladies and gentlemen, she goes into the Serengeti. Do you know how hot the Serengeti is? It's so hot you could see the steam coming off the floor, okay? Even the cheetahs say, yo, I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here. They run so fast. I'm telling you, the cheetahs, they run so fast. Okay, but not the Serengeti specialist. No. She's there in the high weeds with a bushy tail, looking for an innocent stonk just prancing around, making believe that it's not paying any mind to nobody, getting ready to go parabolic, and then all of a sudden she pounces. But before she pounces, she shakes a little bushy tail, right? And then she grabs the stonk by its neck and brings it in like a bird and says, I got a parabolic, right? That is the one, the only. Debut Moms! Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. So that's the morning show. Make sure you're also following
us on x.com, aka Twitter at Coaching Money,
At Coaching Money.
Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money.
And of course, we're on TikTok at DBL Nicks.
DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Let's take a look at CVGI. CVGI is basically below the VWAP, so CVGI is up 30%. CVGI is up 30%, and it's going to have significant resistance. If volume comes in, it's going to have significant resistance right at this level right over here at around $2.50. Significant resistance at $2.50. Commercial vehicle. CVGI. Double CVGI. Okay, we're going to take a look at PAVS. Let's check it out, doubles. PAVS up 31%. Up 31%. Holding support at $1.81. Holding support at $1.81. Holding support at $1.81. It needs volume. We are now 3 minutes away from the power hour. The doubles, the power hour. You know what I'm talking about? The power hour, bro. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having a good time. All right, quick thing before we wrap up. Okay, before we wrap up. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together by yourself. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it's full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when we do it. We almost always have 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up running parabolic the next day from that early watch list. You'll have the pre-market scanners, the regular hour scanners, and after-hour scanners. Float, volume, catalyst, context built right in the scanners. And you'll see our ticker tape built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. Parabolic, cha-cha-cha. Parabolic, cha-cha. Doubles. Did I say parabolic?
Parabolic.
Cha-cha-cha. Did I say it?
Yes, you did.
Parabolic, cha-cha-cha. I really like that, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's kind of cool, right?
Nice, huh?
This isn't noise. It's structure. And if that's how you want to approach this market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And when you come in, let us know that you saw the stream. Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? Yeah, that'll be kind of cool, right? Ladies and gentlemen, I call y'all indelibles because I want you to leave your mark, and I want your mark to be unerasable, a.k.a. indelible. Indelible. Folks, I want you to achieve all your goals, your aspirations, your dreams. I hope you had a bunch of laughs with us. More importantly, I hope you learned a ton of stuff because I'm trying to educate with humor to keep your attention. Because you know what? It could get boring to learn stuff. I know. I went to school, and it was those special professors in school that kept me engaged, and I appreciate what they did, right? So I hope that you learned a lot. I hope you had a bunch of laughs. And I hope you make a ton of money. I want you to achieve all your goals, your aspirations, and dreams. I want you to be inspirational to others. You know why? Because it's a lot more fun. Having success with other people, making money, and having a good time with other folks is a lot more fun, right? Yeah, absolutely. You guys are amazing. I want to thank you for joining us, okay? I want to thank you very much. You guys make this possible for us, and I hope we're making things possible for you.